What's up, Streetboard family? Welcome back to the Dragan channel. My name is Simon Johns, and today I'm going to go over one of my favorite tricks on a streetboard, backside lip slides on downrails. So very briefly, what is a backside lip slide, or backlip for short? Let's break it down by its name. The backside part comes from the way you approach the rail. This means that the rail is behind you or facing your backside. The reason it's a lip slide and not a board slide is because the first foot to go over the rail is your back foot. If my front foot went over the rail first, it would be called a backside board slide, which I highly recommend learning before trying the back lip. Let's get started with figuring out this trick. The first thing you'll want to do is find a down rail that suits your skill level. If you can comfortably backside board slide, backside 50-50 and gap the distance of the rail easily, then you've found your perfect spot. Start by approaching the rail with the same speed that you would use for a backside 50-50. If you've got enough speed to get your back foot on the top of the rail for a 50-50, then you've definitely got enough speed to get that foot over the rail for a backside lip slide. Rather than approaching the rail completely parallel, try approaching at a slight angle to give a bit more distance between your tail and the underside of the rail as you bring it over. When you get to the edge of the ramp or stairs, jump off your front foot whilst lifting up your back foot to clear the height of the rail. As you do this, open up your arms and shoulders so they're almost facing forward down the rail. The lower half of your body should be doing most of the twisting in the opposite direction to your shoulders. This is a very blind trick, so you will have to rely on confidence and feeling for the most part. Once you're over the rail, keep your eyes locked on your front foot to get an idea of the angle your board is sliding at. Try to keep the front foot slightly dipped, as this will make turning out of the trick a lot smoother. When your bar starts sliding, keep your back leg a little tense to stop it from swinging past your front foot. Don't worry about getting it at exactly 90 degrees to the rail in your first few attempts. This will come with practice. Once you're about to land, close your shoulders and bring your arms back to your center. Get ready to bend those knees to absorb the impact and recenter your weight between both feet to maintain speed. Thank you so much for watching today. Please give this video a thumbs up if it helped you get your head around backside lip slides, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all our latest streetboard related content. Until next time, peace out.